Can't assign to function call? No one's assigning to a function call. Oh, wait, what? Yeah, maybe I should not be so... Alright, so anyways, oh. Oh. Huh. That's interesting. I actually, because it's not even that I'd want to find the space character afterwards. I mean, I can just, like, for starters, I can just make it so that actions have to end with a space, but, uh, I guess I want to actually check for more punctuation than just that. Or I could just get in the habit of always ending actions with a space. I don't know. I'm probably just going to do this for now, but whatever. Alright, so end equals lines find whatever. Oh yeah, what happens if find -1 on failure? Oh, so, hmm. Oh, interesting. Wow. Well, you're getting there, right? That, that's way fewer bytes than I would have used, considering I only understood, like, vaguely what you're working on. But it sounds awesome, and if you're pleased with it, then congratulations. Alright, so I'm going to be really cheesy for starters. I'm going to make this as simple as possible. And then if it works in the very simple case, then what? No one's assigning. Can't assign to function call? No one's assigning to function call. Or whatever. Oh. Oh, wait, what? No. I'm not assigning to function call. Oh, no, I know what I'm doing. Yeah, and I'm using circle braces instead of square braces. Derps. Mobby. Alright, save that. Alright, so now if I go blah 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 space blah blah pound blah blah space pound blah blah space, then whoop, that didn't work. List objects has no attribute find. Oh, whoops, I'm not working with the correct index. Derps. UV lines index I. No. Yeah. UV lines index I dot find. Yep. Yerp. Oh, yeah. Sure. Oh. Oh, UV lines index I index. Whoops. Wow. Alright, so cool. Yikes. Is that gonna work? I honestly don't know. Seems weird, but whatever. I mean, I guess a list is like a jagged array of characters, kind of. Pound, characters, pound, alright. More errors. Indices must be integers. String indices must be integers. String indices are integers. What's not an integer? End. I is an integer, 0 is an integer. I assume I is an integer. Alright, well, was it not clear that you're supposed to be an int? Oh, whoops. End, int. Same diff. Yeah, was it not clear that you're supposed to be an int? Because if that wasn't clear, then you cray. Crazy, I tell you. Alright, so let's start it over. Alright, yeah, so whatever. Alright, copy this, so I don't have to keep typing it again and again. Nope. The indices are integers. The indices are integers, you jerk. You jerk, they're both integers. You jerk, you terrible, terrible jerk. Alright. So let's, alright, fine. No. So, I don't know. I feel like it's the double indices that it's not fond of. So I don't have any specific reason to believe that, but whatever. So I'm just gonna lie. Oh no. Oh. Whatever. Lie. Oh wait, sorry. Whoa. Yeah, you go, mini man. Do you ever watch Harvey Birdman? Attorney at Law, I think it was called. Is that the name of the show? I think that was the name of the show. Alright, so now we'll just use lie instead of EV lines I don't expect that to actually change anything, but it would be neat if it did. Save that. Alright. Now please work. Oops. Yes. Survey set. Oh, whoops, yeah, I forgot I had other stuff on my clipboard, whatever. Alright, come on. No! What? Those are total integers. Total integers. Wait, what? Yeah. Alright, so fine. I'll stop trying to be super fancy. I'll just every simple stupid action will have its own new line. Lie equals Actually, this is an awful lot like I don't care, whatever. Alright. So now this works, please. Please, this works now. Please. Yeah. Alright. Blah blah, pound sign, blah blah, pound sign, blah blah. Go. I don't know what your problem is, you weirdo. End is literally an int. 0 is literally an int. What is your problem? Do you not index at 0? Do you index at 1? Is that what you're trying to say? Because 0 is an integer, you weirdo. Nope. Good. Shouldn't have been that, so I guess I'm glad it wasn't that. No, I didn't. Whatever, go away. So then, yeah, whatever, I don't care. So li equals ev lines I dot split on space character lie index 0, because whatever, I don't care. And then, yeah, good. Hopefully, if this doesn't get rid of it, I don't know what will. Go. Yay, did it work? Did it work? Yeah, alright, wow. That, I don't know why the other solution should have worked better, or it should have worked fine as well. But whatever, this one works. So, can you split on multiple characters, I wonder? Terms of the subvert. So, sep. Oh yeah, right. Sep. Versions of white space characters. Oh, interesting. If max split is given. Interesting. So, I guess it wouldn't be so bad to split on, like, some of the most likely suspects, like comma or period or exclamation point. And then, hypothetically, I guess we'd want to cover the worst case scenario wherein there wasn't anything at the end. So, oh, but that actually, no, that is already covered by the new splitting technology. So yeah, I guess we might as well. So, yeah, lie equals ev line split whatever, so then lie equals lie index 0 dot split let's say period comma, actually comma is probably more common than period even. Space, comma, period, I don't know, exclamation point, oh wait, actually, what if I did trim? Is there a mode of trim to get rid of punctuation? Probably not, but, or strip, or whatever it's called. Oh, chars. Oh, excellent. Return a copy of this string with leading and trailing characters removed. Fantastico. Chars is omitted or none. Alright, cool. So right, so we don't have to split a jillion times. We can just li dot strip what do we want? Like space. We already did space, so we'll do comma period, exclamation point, quotation mark. That'd be a kind of weird one, but it could happen. Quotation. Oh wait, how do I do? Oh yeah, no, I can do quotation mark. I have to. The cool thing about Python, or slightly cool thing, I don't know. It's weird or cool depending on how you think of it. Is that you can surround quotation marks in apostrophes. You can surround double quotes and single quotes, or you can surround single quotes and double quotes. So, because I wanted to add both of those characters to this list, I surrounded them by their alternate. Alright, so wait, so period. I mean, why not? I guess I'll just do some weird stuff like colon and semicolon, because it could happen if I decide to get fancy for some reason. More likely than not, I'm accidentally gonna just forget something someday and I'm gonna break it by accident. But whatever. Those are pretty much all of them, right? Oh, question mark, I guess. And actually, we only really need to do rstrip. We don't have to do strip, because we're only removing the trailing characters. All right. Anything else that could parenthesis? Like close paren. Yeah. Why not? Close paren. Close square brace. I don't know. I'm really reaching at this point, but tilde. Sometimes when I'm being an idiot, I end lines with a tilde. That's gotta be all of them, right? It's gotta be all of them. If I end it with a percent sign or like a dollar sign or an asterisk, I really shouldn't have to cover all of these cases. I really shouldn't, but I don't know. I'd just rather cover them, I guess, up front than like accidentally screw stuff up down the line. So yeah, if I used any other character, that would just be kind of ridiculous. Because I'm not going to use another pound sign, and that wouldn't even work if I used another pound sign. Oh wait, I'm supposed to be stripping index 0. Whatever. Wait, what? What don't you think is correct syntax? Oh, why did I... Oh, I opened it with 2 parentheses for some reason. Alright, that better be good, because if that's not good, then... No, if that's not good, then I don't know what. Alright. So... Yeah, let's try it again. Let's try and break it. Go away. Nope, not all of it. I don't want everything to go away. Whoops. Alright, so, you can hide though. Oh, do the little guys freeze? Yeah, they froze. Fine, you can be visible, just go over here. Alright, so, alright, whatever, or let's try starting it with one. Whatever, oh yeah, so whatever, period, whatever, like, I'll just like put in a bunch of characters, and some of those won't get filtered. Some of those will get included, but like, whatever. Alright, let's see what that does. Wow, yep. There was only one. Oh, right, no, it's not that. Right. It's not that I put in too many opening parentheses, that I didn't put in enough closing parentheses. Whoops. Oh, cool. I can copy that because it didn't clear correctly. Alright, try that again. Invalid syntax? What do you mean invalid syntax? What? What are you talking about, invalids? Oh, again, I didn't put in... That one was not my fault. That's because the IDE filters out. It assumes if you're closing a parenthesis right before a closed parenthesis, that's the closed parenthesis you're trying to put in. So, whatever. Annoying. Save that. Alright. Yeah, go away. They like appear in the opposite locations. Oh. rstrip arg must be none, Unicode, or str. Oh. Am I just supposed to put all the characters in one giant chunk? Is that what you're expecting? Let's see if that works. I used strip somewhere else, right? Whoops. What would you do? How do I use it in the other location that I use it? I only use it for a single character. Alright, well, that's gotta be it, right? I hope it is. Oh. Well, I guess I can't strip both the single, both apostrophe and double quotes, both single quotes and double quotes, because I have to close them with one or the other. So I guess I'll just have to do it twice. And the second time just for double quotes. Oh, and I can get rid of some of these parentheses now. Alright, save that. Now let's see what happens if I... Whatever, bright pink is going to stay there for now. Oops. Oh, shoot. Alright, so... so yeah, let's see what this does. Yay, cool. I think that worked. I don't know why there was an extra space right there, but... Wait, why was that? Why did that one have an extra line? Actually, I want to come and try that again. So, pound, whatever, exclamation point. Pound, whatever, question mark, pound, whatever, period, pound, whatever, alright, let's try these, see how this goes. Oops. Oh, right, so it included the ones from the previous whatever, which seems to include this dollar sign. Did I really do... Oh, I might have done pound dollar sign. I probably did pound dollar sign when I was just adding in random characters. Alright, so that's probably working correctly. I'm going to restart it just to double check, but I think that could actually be working correctly. Yeah, that seems legit, right? Oh no. Why didn't it, No, it's just not trimming them. It's just literally not even trimming them. What? That's kind of weird. Oh, actually I did have one thought on that. Possibly. What if... what if I just went like this? Li equals, and then, I don't know if this is correct, but I'm gonna try it. Whoops. Just for kicks. Off with its head. How about that, Miniman? Would that work? Nope. rstrip requires a string, but received a Unicode. What? Oh. Huh. Really? Alright, well, that's easy enough to fix, I suppose. I just say lis equals etc, etc, li equals lis strip, and then, how about that? How does that sound? Better? Worse? Requires a string object but received a Unicode. I don't get it. I don't get it. Oh, well, alright. Yeah, no, I can just stop being... Oh, no. Oh, what if, oh, what if I did it the other way around? Maybe I'm doing it backwards. Yeah, I'm probably doing it backwards. So you go here. str, and then you go here. How's that? Better. Save that. And then run that. Yes, kill the other one. Paste. Nope. Still not enthusiastic about that, huh? Huh. Huh. So my options now are the one that doesn't work or the one that also doesn't work. Yeah, let's just... return a copy of the string with trailing characters removed. How do you think you're getting a Unicode character? Or how do you think you're getting a Unicode? Because rstrip requires a received a Unicode. So this seems so unnecessary. I really hope this isn't necessary. Is that what you're uncomfortable about? Oh, also, yeah, this is no longer index 0, it's just, etc, etc. Alright. I really hope this doesn't fix it. Alright, well at least that didn't fix it. Alright, what if I literally declare it to be a string? Last time I tried something like this. Like it said, oh, that's not an int. So I literally made it an int. And it was like, oh, that's still not an int somehow. I don't know. Oh, but of course that works. Did that work completely, or... What's this one where... Wait, what? Oh, it didn't... Oh... Alright. Yeah, cause, Oh, that's funny. Yeah, no, I know what I'd have to do here. Why did it come back with a blank one? What? Yeah, why did it come back with a blank one? I don't feel like it should have come back with a blank one. That's funny. Oh yeah, so I know what I need to do to fix that. I need to go... basically need to do this both times. Because it's unlikely that I'll actually need to do it both times, but strip only works if strip stops at the first character, not in the set. So hypothetically, if there's like so in this case, oh wait, no, in this case it still should have removed the period, right? I don't know what that's about. So actually maybe this won't fix it. Yeah, it should have still removed the period. That's weird. Huh. Anyways, let's see what it does now. Yeah, no, it's just not. Huh. That is so weird. Why would it not be removing the period? Is it because there's no space at the end? What about now? Now it does, but it only removes the period? What? What? That's funny. Yeah, I gotta clean this up. Hey Aaron, how's it going? That's fine. I can live with that name. I don't know if I'll live up to that name, but I can live with it. Alright, I am still alive. This almost works, this thing that we're doing. It almost works. But, there are a few eccentricities with it still, so I'm going to continue touching it up. I just have to take a super quick break, so I apologize, because I have taken a few breaks today. I don't know what it is. I think I spend so much time not streaming that my body is just not used to it yet. I have to get back into it. But I'll be right back, so I apologize for the brief delay. Alright, that was pretty quick, right? I actually ran into some interference. So I have to postpone the break. That doesn't count. My objectives were not met. But, anyways. Well, that's a productive way to ruin your sleep, right? If you're gonna ruin it somehow, might as well do it like that, right? Um, huh. Yeah, for everything that happened, I was not expecting this exactly. Um, Maybe I should just go with my original idea of like just splitting it. Might save time actually. Especially because well, no. Uh, huh. Hmm. Yeah, I might just split it. I might just split it again and again and again. Because that actually seems less dumb to me, somehow. Somehow. So, yeah, and then li. Yeah, I mean, if the actually no. Before I do that, I can at least all right. I can get rid of this term. I think by just making it entirely literal that I'm looking for this term to be a string. I can get rid of and hopefully I can fix it by saying li equal. I really don't think I should have to do it like that, but str r strip li. I really don't feel like that's necessary, but whatever. We'll see. We'll see if it works at least. Yes. Alright, so where's that thing again? Let's see how this goes. Doesn't work. Dumb. Dumb. Alright, well, yeah, no, I don't know how to include both quotation types at the same time, so I'm just gonna do the stupid thing. Because whatever. li equals leave lines, etc., etc. Li equals equals li index 0 dot split, and then I'll do this for each of the characters because whatever. So this one is comma, this one is period, exclamation point, sort of, yeah. Not all of them necessarily. I mean, I wouldn't mind all of them. Yeah, I mean, that's basically what I'm doing. I'm just, yeah. I'm just getting rid of, yeah, basically. Did you have a suggestion, or are you just clarifying on the task? Question mark. I mean, I guess the alternative would be to just set this up differently, but I don't care. Oh. Yeah, that's... Actually, I don't think this is going to work either, now that I think about it. Oops. Oh, right, yeah. And then the last one. Whoops. The last one. Double quotes. Alright. I can get rid of these, because whatever. I don't care. li 0. Save that. Yeah, I don't actually think this will work. Hey, Dr. Fire Penguin, how's it going? Oops, not that. Hey, it works. That's cool. Oh, and it got rid of the extra one, I think. Okay. Maybe. Possibly. Let's find out. Yeah, look, there's no blank lines or anything. Wow. So that's cool, I guess. Cool enough. Whatever, it works. I don't care. So, cool. What were we doing for that? Oh yeah, so those are actions. And actually, I think the way we keep track of our actions is to include the action symbol. So I think it would be more correct to say ev actions. Oops, no. Action symbol plus that equals 1. So let's see if that still works. Should still work. So now it should give us the exact same thing, except it should also lead with the hashtags. Yeah, there we go. Alright, cool. I'm gonna call that working. Working enough for me. Miniman is I decided he didn't respond to me because I think he didn't respond, right? Because I blew his cover and he got embarrassed and yeah, no, he never responded. But what was it? Did anyone watch Harvey Birdman, Attorney at Law? Who's the was it the judge or like the opposing counsel? Mentok? No. Oh, was it even? What show am I thinking of? Maybe it wasn't Mentok. Wasn't there a character on that show that was like just obsessed with shrinking things down? I don't remember. Alright, I might be going nowhere with this. Unless maybe I'm just making that up. I could have sworn that was a real character. But I'm pretty sure that's who Miniman is in real life. No, maybe I'm a crazy person. Oops, I'm a crazy person. Oh, Reducto. I did not make it up. Myron Reducto, opposing counsel. That is who Miniman is in real life. Yep. There you go. Oh. Alright, well, I'll, oh yes, of course, you've never seen it before, Miniman. Wink, wink. But, yeah, no. Myron Reducto. That's who Miniman is in real life. It all adds up. Trust me. Anyways. Myron Reducto is not an insane midget. That's just... Myron Reducto is Stephen Colbert. Although I'll admit, it's not a very flattering comparison, because if you read the bio on the Birdman wiki, it starts with Reducto is a mean-spirited, vindictive, and extremely paranoid little man constantly shouting, "Back off!" But no, I mean it in only in the most positive of ways. Reducto was just obsessed with shrinking things down. Um, he just had like a complete obsession with tiny things, and he had a shrink ray, so he shrank things down, and was obsessed with shrinking things down, and small things in general. Anyways, all right. So what are we doing now? We have our action set up. We have we could be saying our yeah. I guess I should put that in eventually. So yeah, say what? Oh, wait, I do have that in. Say EV text. Oh wow! So if I looked at Journey bot chat, he's probably saying a bunch of ridiculous things. He's probably just like shouting spam. Ah, that sounds amazing. Whoops, wrong thing. I meant to go. Oh, wait, no, I don't. It always freaks me out if I see how many people are watching, so I can't do that. Alright. Whoa. Oh, a lengthy explanation. An origin story. We're getting Miniman's origin story. Oh yeah, that's a good point. Actually, it wasn't until you pointed out that your name is in all caps that I realized that maybe you're not Reducto. But no, I just thought it was funny that your name is Miniman, and like you've been talking about all of your accomplishments, and all of your accomplishments have been to reduce the size of the in like bytes of the program that you're working on, and you kept marveling at other people who had like achieved like amazing things in like byte reduction. So I was like, that is definitely Reducto. maybe Reducto is like a distant cousin or something. But yeah, no, Reducto would never go. That's a good point. Reducto would never go for 10,000, and Reducto would never go for all caps. So yeah, I guess you've proven me wrong. You are not in fact him. So actually, yeah. So let me run this again, because I think if I understand correctly, the bot has been shouting gibberish in chat. Let's see if that is the case. Yep, that's some gibberish. Wow. So I'm kind of glad I wasn't watching those logs, because that's hilarious. Anyways, so yeah, so I guess we could start hooking up these events, right? Okay, so you do other development other than like code size, but it was just coincidence that that today you happen to be. You're really adamant about it, and you're like talking about things that I don't understand. Usually when people talk about things that I don't understand, it means they're really smart. So I don't know. Yeah, alright, that makes sense. One time I made a project and actually included like art assets in it, and all of a sudden I was like, why is everything going so slow? Why is everything so huge? And I was like, I was challenging Miniman to prove his identity, and so he wrote a biography here in chat. Thank you, by the way. I hope I didn't offend you, Miniman. I was just joking. But I thought I don't know. Sometimes I wish I had like a passion like that. Like I I feel very broadly ambivalent about very many things, and so sometimes I wish I just cared about like one thing, right? I don't know. Just like figure out one really important thing and just do it as well as possible. So what else do we want to do? Anything else? We could. Well, no, we want to do more stuff. What do we want to do is the question. Oh, well, actually, no. I guess this is also the time of the evening where I have to ask myself if I want to go to. There's this thing. There's this playtest thing that happens. It only happens like once a month, and I missed it last month. And so I was thinking maybe I would go to it tonight, but it starts in like an hour and 15 minutes. So if I'm going to go to it, I would have to wrap up pretty soon. But I also don't feel like super productive, so maybe I should keep on keeping on. Well, thank you, Aaron. The other thing, though, the other risk, though, is that if I turn off the stream, it's entirely likely that I won't go to that thing, and that I'll just play video games, because I resubscribed to a certain video game, and now I'm a little obsessed with it. I have a weakness. There's one particular game for which I have a distinct weakness, and it released a new expansion last week. I'm not even liking it that much, which is the crazy part. Like, I'm not having a great time playing it, but I'm like it's not my favorite expansion even. Like there's actually very little in it that appeals to me. Like at this point. Oh yeah, I subscribed to tons of stuff. Last year I spent almost $1,000 on free-to-play games. I like putting my money into games. I like games, and I appreciate that people are willing to make games. And so I give people money when they make games, if I like the game. Or if I just have a weird fascination with it, and for whatever reason cannot resist buying the new expansion. Club Penguin, yeah. I never played it. Did I? Wait, no. I can't remember. Hold on, which one was Club Penguin? No, I don't know if I ever got into that one. But I've heard amazing things. Maybe I'm glad I didn't get into Club Penguin, because I've had my hands full enough with this other obsession of mine. Oh man, you, Aaron, corrupting the youths is you rebel, you miscreant. Well, all right. I'll add that to my list of things to do. I'll add Club Penguin. But oh, I have to run errands. I have to run errands tonight. So, wait, if I went to that thing, would I still be able to run errands? I forget how late it goes. Because regardless, it's literally gotten to the point that I've almost no food left in the house. Because, that's how I get when I really get into something. That is how I get. It runs really late. How long have I been streaming today? I started at like 11:30, so I've been streaming for like almost 7 hours. Alright, I know I'll cast the deciding vote based on whether people are actually, like, how stuff's going right now. Oh, wow. Yeah, no, you know what? I think I will. I think I will call it. I think I will. So maybe I'll just finish up a few things, and then I probably will not be on super much longer. So yeah, just a heads up. We will be wrapping it up at some point. Anyways, yeah. So you know, I just realized is we got 0 new followers today, and I think it's because I don't know what would cause something like that, and my only guess is that the name of the stream is whatever, or that I've been doing whatever today. So I guess the lesson there, I don't know why I'm saying this on camera, but the lesson there is that I should probably be more focused or more productive, because from what I gather, I mean, it's been great, like, hanging out with familiar faces, but apparently the newcomers are not as enthusiastic about that sort of thing. I learn something new every day. Yeah, right? I guess it doesn't really rope people in. Incidentally, the most successful stream that I've ever put up was, the name of the stream was Noob Day What's Hacks. This was the most winningest, most successful title that I've ever used on a stream. Because that day we just, like, as far as I can tell, we completely organically, like, blew the roof off my usual viewer count. So yeah, that was weird. I don't know what that means. So kind of wish I'd I kind of wish I liked hacks more, because apparently people are into it, and I mean, I would like to get into it, but I don't know. It's tough. It's tough. I think I think it just needs a little more time or something. I don't know. We'll see. Sorry, I digress. Yeah. So what should I do here? I guess I could just look up, like, the rest of the event type processing. The rest of the event processing. I could start distinguishing between. Should you sleep tonight? That is an interesting question. I usually say yes. In general, I feel like I'm healthiest when I'm getting the most amount of sleep. Yeah, I try and get 8 hours of sleep every night. And a lot of times I actually get that much. I don't know. Yeah, sleep is good, right? It's tough, because it feels so wasteful. Like, think of all the things you could be doing if you weren't sleeping. But, I don't know. I assume it's worth the trade. I assume, like, it's just a better health proposition for the long term. I could be wrong. But I am pro-sleep, generally speaking. Wait, what were you saying about Java? Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's true. My stuff doesn't really. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, sometimes I wish I worked on, like, pixel graphic action games, because I feel like that really sells it in the little preview thing. Like, if you have big, like look at that. That's so boring. That's the most boring thing I've ever seen before. Yeah, so I feel like if I was working on more interesting stuff, I'd probably get better icons and maybe it would represent better. But whatever. I like what I work on, and I'm not complaining because like I said, it literally hadn't occurred to me until I just double checked that my new follower thing isn't broken. I just literally haven't gotten any today, and it took me that long to realize because I was just having a fun time with all my best buds. So yeah. Uh, uh, so, hey, we got yay! We got a new follower. Thank you. I'm taking away your mod privileges just for that. No, I'm just kidding. All right, cool. Yeah, I watch a lot of streams also, and one thing I realized about my stream is that it's not very typical. Like I tend to focus on a lot of things that I think a lot of people wouldn't, but I don't know. I feel like the stuff that I talk about, I mean, I do get distracted a lot, but apart from like the occasional tangent, most of the things that I talk about, I feel like are actually important parts of game development. And like they're not necessarily the stuff that you realize going in, but I think they bear repeating. At least that's my goal. I try and keep. If I felt like I wasn't hitting on those ends, then I'd start to feel weird or bad about like what I broadcast. But I don't know. For now, I mostly like it. No, I appreciate Iron Scope because I do like hearing that noise. Anyways, I left my speakers on most of the day just because I don't know. Usually, if I have my earbuds in, like I'm the only one who can hear that noise. But I guess I chose the wrong day. Event types or something. What are we gonna do with event types or something? Because basically, yeah, a lot's got to change from the previous system. And I don't know if I should adapt the previous system or like make a separate system for the live events versus the. No, I should probably merge this. I should probably keep them relatively similar because otherwise, this project could get a bit out of hand. All right then. What Hey. Legitimate user scope. Welcome to the stream. Thank you for following. I appreciate your viewership and your support. Totally legit, right? Do it, Tristan. Torture. I am pro torture. I'm pro self-inflicted torture. I'm against inflicting torture on other people, but self-inflicted torture is the one form of torture I condone. So I say go for it. Man, you know, I think, oh man. Alright, so I'm sorry. I'm really on the fence. So I don't know if this is necessarily the right decision, but I think I'm going to start wrapping up the stream. I feel like we're at a good enough splitting point that I can pick up here tomorrow with not much difficulty, and I don't know. I feel like this is about as good a breaking point as we're gonna get. So, as is traditional, the last thing I will do is to find another streamer, so as not to leave you guys hanging. I'll find another good streamer, someone I like, so we can kick it over to their channel, and maybe they'll get new followers today. So let's see who is on, who likes, who we might be able to watch. I'm switching over to Facecam so that I can go check out other people's streams. I'm not supposed to show other people's streams on my streams. It's against the rules. So yeah, what have we got going on here? We have there are a lot of people online. Oh, I got a new follower. Hold on, I can't see it without the screen cam. Hey! Look at all these totally legit viewers we're getting today. Thank you, Aaron Scope spelled backwards. Sorry, I forget what that was. Thank you for tuning in. Welcome to the stream. I appreciate your viewership and your support. Oh, let's check out this guy. Let's see what's going on here. Oh. Sorry, I'm just trying to find a streamer that I like. In my spare time, I try and find streamers who aren't getting as much attention, and I try and give them a boost if I think they're doing it right, and I think they're yeah, right. Yeah, Trent is streaming, so we'll probably go with Trent. But I try and, like I was saying, I try and find people who like haven't. Yeah, we'll go with Trent. Yeah. Yeah. Right. So, anyways, so then the last things I'll do, I will say goodbye, and then I will wait for stream delay, and then I'll kick it over to Trent. Thank you everyone for tuning in. Today was kind of. Today was kind of another experiment. So, I don't know. I still don't know like what. I feel like I'm still learning like what makes for a good stream, because it's easy to watch a stream and say I like this, I like that, I don't like this, I don't like that, but I don't know, it's different when you actually have to like make it happen. So I don't know, I'm trying to improve. Your feedback is always appreciated, and I'll try and take heed and find like a good formula or a good balance, so that we have a little something for everyone, or rather that what we have on stream appeals to you who would watch. Anyways, I digress. Thank you again for tuning in. I say it a lot, but I mean, I wouldn't be doing this without you guys. So it's just cool that like of all the streams out there, you guys chose to hang out here. So yeah, so thank you for everyone who participated in chat. Thank you for everyone who lurked, and I hope to chat and or get lurked by you again sometime in the future. Have a wonderful evening. So now is when I'm waiting for stream delay. You're probably seeing this part because I'm really terrible at timing the stream, timing the how long it takes. But I think I don't know, maybe I guess I'd rather you guys see like slightly too many seconds than not enough seconds. So anyways, I'll just assume that works. There we go. Oh yeah, I can probably stop the stream now. Yay.